Wow, I love my flip! I can just double tap it to check the basics. Oh wait, a notification! Let me just swipe this way and tap to see a little more. Tapping again takes me straight to the app if I need to move quick. I can press and hold the side key or just say, "Hi Bixby." Text Charlotte, "Can you call me?" ?
Okay, would you like to send message to Charlotte about can you call me?
Yes.
It's been sent.
Oh, gotta take this. My hair's looking good. If I double press the side key, I can take a quick selfie. Just press the volume key to snap a photo. Easy peasy.